One final point I wanted to make before we went off of alternatives to a conventional build, where we're talking the Connex boxes. You can order them; they come in a box, and like pop out and retract and everything. When you're looking at financing or resale value, a lot of people in the lending, those unconventional methods, they scare off a lot of lenders.
Yeah, yeah, they have some pretty strict guidelines, and the vast majority of it is written for traditionally constructed structures. So you put something funky in front of them, and they might go running for the hills.
Not only them, but then if you need servicemen out to work on it, they're like, I don't know what to do with this.
Yeah, exactly.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona